So we're talking about the Binance margin. What is the Binance margin? We'll also be looking at some of the benefits associated with the Binance margin. And more so, we will be looking at a step-by-step process on how to go about uh, Binance margin trading. And also, we'll be looking into the Binance margin Funday Friday. We're looking at the promotion period, the rules associated with it, as well as other reasons that you should participate on the Binance margin. So you can see here that you can use margin trading to increase your trading profits, and these are some of the basic benefits or utilities. You get more leverage, there's a way to start here. There's also more trading pairs, there's a high liquidity depth, and more. So these are some of the criteria or characteristics of Binance trading or Binance margin. So once you have a Binance account, once you verify the account, you've done the necessary comment, and you log in, you need to click on the Binance margin. Once you click on the Binance margin, it's going to take you directly to the Binance margin page, in which you can see the analysis or an overview of your margin overview of your margin trades as well as history. So right here, there's a column where you can click on beginner's guide as a new user who wants to learn more about the Binance trade. This is going to bring you here. Once it brings you here, you can either click on the trade now, or before that, you can also click on the button below to understand what margin trading is. So it says here that the Binance margin trading is a way of using funds provided by a third party to conduct assets transactions. Compared with regular trading accounts, margin trading accounts allow users to obtain more funds and support them in using certain positions. So these positions allow users to obtain more funds. There's also a web tutorial video in which you can view. So since we're using the mobile version, we will be checking that out soon. Next thing you need to know is that there are various trading steps available for isolated and cross accounts. So all you need to do, you can transfer, go to the margin account page and select transfer to transfer your assets. And also borrow by using various borrowing features that are available on Binance. You can kick off with the trade option, visit the margin trading page to start margin trading. You can also repay your borrowings, go to the margin account page and select the repay and repay make your repayments. There are also certain characteristics about the margin trading in which you can learn about the margin data, isolated margins here, the assurance form being provided by Binance for margin traders or for traders in general, as well as some trading rules you want to see. Now, in understanding the benefits or why you should choose the margin trading, you need to know that the Binance margin trading has a wide range of selection of trading pairs with over 600 trading pairs currently on the Binance platform. Also, the margin trading supports trading pairs a wide range from the BTC, USDT, ETH, and more. And you are also the one responsible for your trading, so you can easily control your trading or control your transactions and trade in a responsible manner. And Binance margin trading has one of the best fees in the cryptocurrency exchange. And also there is high liquidity for traders who wishes to trade or use the Binance margin to trade. This provides an excellent transaction depth for users. You also need to know that the Binance margin trading benefits include the fact that Binance has insurance funds. It is also very useful because these insurance funds enables accounts or protects your accounts when your equity or assets liabilities is lower than zero or the assets of the pledged currency borrowing orders are insolvent. So this is when the insurance funds comes into place. There's also a cooling off period that is being placed on the Binance accounts or the Binance margin traders in order to help users avoid excessive trading. Margin trading has introduced a cooling off period function. So this is to prevent addiction and to prevent a spirit of gambling or a spirit of using or setting excessive trading. on the Binance platform. So to get started, you can check out some of the basic articles that talks about what is Binance trading, margin trading, how to enable margin trading account, differences between the isolated margin and cross margin, how to borrow funds, how to repay debts, and some of the basic requirements of the Binance margin trading. Next, we're going to look at some of the rules that are associated with the Binance margin period. For the Binance margin trading, you want to know that there are BUSD markets, different markets with different trading and minimum trade amount. So you want to take cognizance of, you want to take note of these individual trade rules that have been placed for margin traders. Also, we'll be looking at some responsible trading. So Binance encourages users to trade responsibly. Trading can engaging and fun, but trading is a serious business and it can lead to financial and emotional distress. So users are encouraged to trade, or furthermore, cryptocurrencies carries a lot of risk as well as volatility. So you want to take note of these facts. Here are some good tips and practices which a responsible trader can put into play. You need to practice self-discipline when you're trading. So in order to trade well, self-discipline means telling yourself to avoid unhealthy excesses like compulsive trading or gambling. So at Binance encourages users to practice self-discipline, especially when they feel pressured by losses or a losing streak. So in a scenario where you've made lots of losses, in a bid for you to recover, you want to trade on the Binance platform in order for you to get back your lost funds. Also, continuous educating yourself will help a lot for you to use the Binance margin trading successfully. You can also want to protect your capital, as risk management is very important when using the Binance platform. As the anti-addiction, Binance has established several procedures to remind traders that impulsive trading behavior is not good. For instance, when a trader experiences a losing streak or suffers a heavy loss, we continuously remind them of the risk involved in derivatives trading and encourage them to hold back on trading. So these are one of the benefits of Binance, as Binance uses these to enlighten users that they should, or Binance is being transparent and lets them know that they should try and mitigate the amount of exposure they have. So you want to know that user-generated content, we have compiled a list of educational videos. Binance also has lots of educational videos for users who want to know. You want to check if you may not be suited for trading. If you are, so you want to see some of the criteria that should determine if you're suitable for trading on the Binance platform or you're not. So you may not be suitable for trading if you find it difficult to stop or reduce your trading activities, or feel stressed or irritated when a friend or family suggests you stop trading or reduce your trading activities. When you're having negative thoughts when the market moves against your trades, not taking responsibility to understand your own financial situation, and not taking the time to read and familiarize yourself with what are our products and services in terms of use. Trading with funds beyond your means, if you should take note of this. Now we're going to go over to the Binance Funday Friday. We're going to see what the Binance Funday Friday is all about. So to trade on the Binance margin, all you need to do is to click on the trade now, and it's going to take you directly to the Binance margin trading page. Right here, you'll be able to see a list of trades that you've initiated on the Binance platform, where you can trade BTC against USDT as well as other tokens that are valuable for trades on the Binance platform. Now, in understanding what the Binance Funday Friday is, we will be checking up on Google for you to see the promotion that is currently ongoing on the Binance platform. So while this is loading, we're going to navigate and go over to the Binance margin Funday Friday. So we're going to click on the Binance margin Funday Friday. So when we click on it, you should see a brief or an ongoing review about what the Funday Friday is all about. So the Funday Friday is basically a program that has been put together by Binance that allows users to benefit from the fees that are being charged on the Binance margin page. So you get to get a share of these thanks to Binance. So the Funday Friday is calculated on a Friday basis where users get 20% of margin trading fees and it is being shared among the users. So thank God it's Friday. Once you're logged into your Binance account, you will be able to see rewards that you can claim or your claimed rewards on the Binance platform. So the Binance Funday Friday rewards are eligible for claiming within 5 days of receiving. So you need to take note of these facts. Now all you need to do for step one to be able to be eligible for these Funday Friday rewards, you need to trade margin, trade or borrow on Binance margin during the week. You can now claim your bonus and repeat the Funday Friday until further notice. So this Friday was just launched on Binance, so you will be able to view your records successfully. Now, looking at the rules and promotions, you want to take note of these rules that are associated with the Binance Funday Friday. So all we need to do now, we're going to click on the expand details for us to see a list of rules and list of promotions that are being accepted for the Funday Friday.